So are you looking to make free PayPal money? Check it out, guys. Here's a payment I received by literally using these free cash codes and getting paid out through PayPal. This is one of my favorite ways to make free money to my PayPal account. I'm really excited. I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps where you can start making money with these PayPal cash codes. The 3 steps are going to be like this. I'm going to be showing you the apps that pay you so you can receive these codes. Okay, super easy. I'm also going to be showing you multiple ways to make money with these apps. Okay, so you're going to be receiving codes, you're going to be making money, but there's also multiple ways to make even more money with these apps. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a bonus on how I make $1,000 per day on autopilot. I'm literally going to show you my system, which helped me leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. Guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can build a brand on YouTube, TikTok, how you can start an online business, and of course, how you can crush your affiliate marketing business. Guys, my main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. I recently quit my job as an electrical engineer, and I want to help you guys be able to quit that 9-to-5 job so you guys can achieve the financial freedom. You guys can go look at this post. It's on my Facebook, Jonathan Montoya, and see I posted this on March 2nd, 2020. I quit my job as an electrical engineer to start my passive income business. I'm going to talk about that here in a little bit at the end of this video, but let's get into the actual apps, the PayPal codes that pay you out, okay? Now, the first one I'll be talking about is McMoney, okay? So you literally get paid for receiving these text message codes, okay? So basically, you sign up, you download the app, and you can start receiving these text messages, okay? And the cool thing about it is you literally just get paid for having the app. You don't even need to open it, you don't need to share it, you don't need to do anything, okay? You're literally getting text messages and getting paid, okay? So it's literally passive income. You literally just download the app and you start making money, okay? So I'm gonna kind of go through how it works, stuff like that, okay? So earn cash, you just install the app, we'll send you random text messages, and you'll earn money from us when receive the messages, okay? The cool thing about it is you literally don't have to do anything with it. You can delete it, you can do anything you want with it, okay? All they're doing is they're testing out their network to make sure their messages work, so that's how you're making the money, okay? So the only thing about this is it only works on Android. That's one thing I'm gonna, that's the one thing about my about this app is it only works on Android, it doesn't work for Apple, so I just wanted to kind of let you guys know. A lot of you guys may be asking, is this app secure? This app is 100% secure, guys. I've done a lot of research on this, and it's extremely safe. Here you can see, and you know, you don't have to worry about your information being stolen, but it's just, all it is just text messages anyway, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. And then you may be asking, well, why do we earn money just by receiving text messages, right? So we looked that up here. You can see, why do I earn money by receiving text messages? So it says companies worldwide want to send important SMS messages to consumers like yourself. It's crucial for them to test available messages, blah, 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 right? So you're basically, they're testing out their network, and then you get paid every message that they send, okay? Super cool, okay? And also, if you guys want to make sure this company is not a scam, you're going to get paid out. It's a company owned by CM.com. You guys can do the research. They're basically a telecommunications industry, big company, and they're the ones that founded this company, and they're the ones paying you to have to receive text messages, okay? That's the first one, guys. The next one I'm going to talk about is Cash for SMS, okay? This is a similar type of app. So what I recommend doing is download all these apps, and you can literally start making money with all of them and then put the money together, okay? So you don't have to just do one of these, you can do all of these apps, okay? I have a few more for you guys. Here's the second one, Cash for SMS. Now the cool thing about this is that all you gotta do is 3 easy steps, right? Check your phone number, activate your profile, and then set the numbers to start sending you the messages, right? Super cool, super easy to do. And then you can, let's just say you have, like you can see here, let's just say you have 200 free SMS messages, but you only use about 100 of the per month. You're gonna get paid for each message sent, okay? So you don't get paid that much. You get paid about 3 cents per message, but it's 100% passive, right? So you can, like I said, use all these apps in conjunction and still get paid out. Super easy. Now, the cool thing I like about these guys is they do have a referral program. So if you get people to sign up under you, you actually get paid for all the messages they receive, right? So still passive income, because you're just getting money that your friends are receiving. You're getting a certain percent of that, okay? All right, so the next one, guys, is it's called Money SMS, okay? This is actually my favorite one. They pay out the most from what I've seen. And basically same thing, guys. You download the app and you start getting paid from every message that you receive. Okay, they're all these apps work the same. And the cool thing about this one is you get paid out with PayPal. And you know, I know a lot of you guys, you know, want to get PayPal money, these PayPal codes. So all these apps are going to pay out to PayPal, and from PayPal you can do whatever you want, right? You can transfer it to an Amazon gift card, to Walmart gift card. You can transfer it to your bank account, whatever you want to do, right? That's the nice thing about PayPal. I know a lot of you guys are always asking me for these apps that pay out through PayPal. Okay, let's go through some of these here. So it's secure, guys. You don't have to worry about, you know, your information being stolen, anything like that. This is 100% passive and automatic. You can see here this app pays you passively because all you got to do is have a phone, and you just have to, you know, get messages sent to your phone. Super easy. What I like about this one is it's a referral program, but they pay up to 30%, right? So I know a lot of you guys, you know, have a lot of friends that want to make money by doing nothing. So you can say, hey, you know, sign up under me. Here's my link, and you're gonna get 30% from all their earnings. Now, of course, it's not that much money, but it's still something, right? You don't have to worry about, you know, having to do any active work because you're gonna get paid passively. Okay, so I like that about this app is they have the referral program, and of course it's 100% free, just like the other apps. You're gonna get these PayPal codes and literally get these money transferred to your PayPal account, and from there you can do whatever you want. Now, the only problem with these apps, guys, is yes, it is passive, but you're not going to make that much money. Okay, now it's going to make you some money at first. You can start building up some income, but I recommend putting it into an automated system to pay you passively, right? That's what I do, guys. I do affiliate marketing. That's how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. As an electrical engineer, guys, I was making $80,000 per year as an electrical engineer. You can see here I quit my $80,000 a year job, and I've never felt so free in my entire life. Okay, guys, I literally went from a job that was working 50, 60 hours a week and not having any financial freedom. Like, I had money coming in, but I wasn't free. I didn't have, like, I had to ask a boss for time off. It sucked. Like, you can see here, I have a 11-month-old daughter, and you know, it's nice to be able to spend time with her. You know, at the time I was super busy at my job. I didn't get to spend much time with my family. And, you know, I set out to start this passive income business called affiliate marketing. Now, I will tell you, it does take a lot of work to get it started in the beginning, but I promise if you put that work in the beginning, it'll pay you at the end of the, you know, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Because, you know, when I first started, it was hard. Like, you know, as you can see here, I started waking up at 3:30 every single morning. It was really hard getting it off the ground. I'm not going to lie to you. It was really hard. But after 9 months of just, you know, waking up at 3:30 every single morning, I was finally able to leave my 9-to-5 job, and now I'm getting paid passive. I'm making, you know, $1,000 a day, even more than that on some occasion, because I have a system that's paying me, right? So I want to be able to help you guys out. So if you guys want to learn how to make passive income, we have a link down below in the YouTube description. It's going to take you through a 15-day challenge to teach you how I went from electrical engineer to you know, building a passive income business with affiliate marketing, guys. Like I said, you know, the problem with these apps is you're not going to get paid very much. Some of you may be trading time for money. So I want to be able to help you create a passive income business. All right, so click the link down below. We're gonna help you get started. I hope this video was of value to you guys. Hopefully you guys can make some money with these PayPal codes and, you know, start earning that passive income, you know, without doing affiliate marketing if you just wanted to do that. But if you want to create a passive income business, click the link down below, enter your email, go through the training. We're gonna help you get started. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon, and God bless.